Hi there, Shalom Lechem. Thank you for joining me for lesson number 7. In the last lesson, we studied how to say like and love in singular, masculine or feminine. Ohev, likes. Ohevet, likes, feminine. How do we say the other two forms, meaning the plural masculine and feminine? Ohev, ohevet, ohavim, ohavot. Again, ohev, singular masculine, ohevet, singular feminine, ohavim, ohavim, ohavot. That would be the plural masculine and the plural feminine. Let's practice all the pronouns. I like masculine, ani ohev. Ani ohev, I like. Feminine, I like feminine. Ani ohevet. So a guy says, ani ohev. And a woman says, a girl says, ani ohevet. How do we say we like? Anachnu ohavim. Anachnu ohavim. How a group of women or girls would say? Anachnu ohavot. Now the four yous. Ata, you like, and speaking, let's say, to Jonathan. You like Jonathan. Not you like Jonathan, but you, Jonathan, like. Ata ohev. Now we're speaking to Sarah. Sarah, you like Sarah. At ohevet. Remember that a question and a regular sentence in Hebrew are the same. So you like is ata ohev, and do you like is also ata ohev, and the feminine at ohevet, or as a question at ohevet. Now we're talking to a group of people. You guys like? Atem ohavim? Now we're talking to a group of women or a group of girls. Aten ohavot. Third person, anyone who is not here in the room. He likes. Hu ohev. And she likes. He ohevet. They like. Hem ohavim. And the last one, a group of women or girls. Hen ohavot. Okay, great. To sum it up. Ohev, ohevet, ohavim, ohavot. Good. Now let's go to the point where you can practice everything we've done from the first lesson to this very point. Now, let me remind you what you know already. The vocabulary you have is all the pronouns we just practiced, so we don't have to do it. Numbers from 0 to 10. Yes, no, thank you, you're welcome, or, and the word and. And then we know how to conjugate want, רוצה, רוצה, רוצים, רוצות. And today we've added like and love. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say sentences in Hebrew and to let you translate it into English. And then, of course, I'm going to give you the answer. So, first sentence is שלום, אני רוצה בבקשה פיצה אחת. Again, שלום, אני רוצה בבקשה פיצה אחת. What did I say? And who is speaking, a man or a woman? Hi, I want, please, one pizza. You've got it? I'm sure you did. Second sentence. Hi, אני לא רוצה בננה אחת. אני רוצה שתי בננות. I know it's long, but it's really easy. Listen again. שלום, אני לא רוצה בננה אחת. אני רוצה 2 בננות. Okay? And if it's in a normal speed, שלום, אני לא רוצה בננה אחת. אני רוצה 2 בננות. And I can add please, בבקשה, at the end. So what did I say? Hi, I don't want 1 banana. I want 2 bananas. You've got it? Next sentence. אנחנו אוהבים פיצה. אנחנו אוהבים פיצה. Okay? What did I say? We like pizza. Next sentence. אנחנו אוהבות שוקולד. אנחנו אוהבות שוקולד. What did I say? And don't forget to think if it's a group of men or women. אנחנו אוהבות שוקולד. You got the answer? We like chocolate, and we are a group of women or girls, the feminine form of like. Next sentence. That would be a question. Hi, אתה רוצה 2 פיצות? היי, אתה רוצה 2 פיצות? Think it through. Hi, do you want 2 pizzas? Do you want 2 slices of pizza? Next sentence. את רוצה 2 מנגויים? את רוצה 2 מנגויים? And that would be, hi, do you want 2 mangoes? You know, like the fruit, mango? Okay. Next one. אתם אוהבים שוקולד או וניל? אתם אוהבים שוקולד או וניל? What did I say? Do you like chocolate or vanilla? And I'm talking to a group of mixed people. Usually, it can also be only men or only boys. Next one. אתן אוהבות מנגו או בננה? אתן אוהבות מנגו או בננה? What did I say? Hello, do you like mango or banana? Good. Next one. הוא לא רוצה 3 פיצות. הוא לא רוצה 3 פיצות. What did I say? הוא לא רוצה 3 פיצות. He doesn't want 3 pizza. Next one. היא רוצה 4 פיצות. היא רוצה 4 פיצות. And that would be, she wants 4 slices of pizza. Let's see the next one. Okay. הם רוצים 5 פיצות. הם רוצים 5 פיצות. And that would mean, good, they want 5 slices of pizza. הן רוצות 6 פיצות. הן רוצות 6 פיצות. And that would be, they, a group of women or girls, it's feminine, they want 6 slices of pizza. Next one, let me look at it. Okay. אני רוצה בבקשה 7 פיצות. אני רוצה בבקשה 7 פיצות. I want 7 slices of pizzas, please. 7 slices of pizza, please. הן רוצות 8 שוקולדים. הן רוצות 8 שוקולדים. They want 8 chocolates. Okay, so it can be like bars of chocolate or some kind of chocolate you can count. And I'm talking about a group of girls or women or whatever feminine. Okay, אני רוצה בבקשה 7 פיצות וקולה 1. אני רוצה בבקשה 7 פיצות וקולה 1. What did I ask for? I would like, please, 7 slices of pizza and 1 Coke, 1 bottle of Coca-Cola or 1 glass, depending on the context. Okay, 2 last sentences. אנחנו לא אוהבים דיאט קולה. אנחנו לא אוהבים דיאט קולה. So I said, we don't like Diet Coke. What can I say? I like water. And the last one. אתה רוצה 9 שוקולדים? אתה רוצה 9 שוקולדים? What would that be? Do you want 9 chocolates? Okay, great. Oh, I forgot there is one more for 10. Okay, sorry. Now it's really the last sentence. אתם רוצים 10 בננות? או 2 בננות? אתם רוצים 10 בננות? או 2 בננות? What did I say? Do you want 10 bananas or 2 bananas? The answer for that can be, we want 0 banana. אנחנו רוצים 0 בננות. That's a bit weird to say it like this, but just so you can practice the word 0. This is all for today. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the lesson, if you want something specific you want to study, please write to me in the comments below. בהצלחה, good luck, and להתראות in our next lesson. Goodbye.